Alright, it's cooking time again. Got a plan that's a little bit more complicated than it needs to be. These are those little bitty potatoes. I'm gonna cook them up in a frying pan. I brought my new wave. I brought my induction cooktop out here. Just gonna throw these in there. Alright, so that's cooking. Some shrooms. Baby Bellas. I'm cooking too much stuff in this, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on foil once I start the burgers. I'm just starting them in here. A little bit of onion in there. These are gonna end up going in the foil pack. It's not going as planned, but I need this pan for something else. So I figured I would try with this pan. So what I'm basically doing is I'm starting half of this, put it in the foil pack, so it should cook with. Tonight is burgers, but for those of you, some of you won't be happy, these are Beyond Burgers. I like them. And they were on sale at my store like super cheap, so I stocked up on far too many. So I'll be eating them. All right, these are gonna go onto the foil pack. I'll be right back. Now some more zucchini. Butter, more butter, better butter. You guys all get the idea. All right, I'm just gonna make a great big old foil pack. Nothing fancy. These are about half cooked. Now I'll get the grill ready for the burgers. I did my hungry cooking. I'm gonna put a little bit of this because I'm redundant. I use a lot of the same flavors. That's enough. Now I'll mix the foil pack again. I thought I was telling it to stop, but it started. Got the grill going. Gonna put the burgers on in a second. Gonna use some smokehouse maple on these Beyond Burgers. First burger's going on. The grill's not hot enough, Dan. Sometimes videos are far from perfect. Sometimes they're not even a friggin' frame. Gets a little windy at dinner time, I guess. Get off of there, you. And we'll put some more seasoning on top. And leave it alone for a bit. We're gonna flip. Flipping way too early, as I'm known to do. Okay, I'm gonna put an onion on there. Flip. Go. Grill's struggling in the wind. Flipping this onion. I've lost all the heat. Okay, I'm gonna flip the potatoes and stuff. Maybe. There we go. Flip these burgers again. Try to flip burgers. Sure, I can do it. Looks like I got a hot spot because of this wind. Alright, cheese hat. This is Colby Jack. Tonight's dinner is fighting me a little bit, so we'll see how this comes out. These are really quick to make, so I'm going to show you the whole thing. Mushroom, mushroom, mushroom. hat. Turn it off, it's done. Go. And I got some Devil Spit Famous Dave's pickles. Yum. Okay, so that has the grilled onion, cheese hat with mushrooms in it, sriracha smiley face, devil's spit. These are kind of spicy. With sriracha smiley face. First thing I gotta bite into is this one. That's a good burger. No cows were harmed in the making of this, and it tastes fine. Now with the devil's spit. That's a good burger. Zucchini, mushroom, and potato. Have a great and wonderful day. I'm gonna have another burger. So I got all the things dirty, I might as well make another cheese hat. Okay. Got some mushrooms left. Again, cheese hats are super quick to make, so I will again show you the whole process of making one so you can do it yourself. Got some of the spicy pickles. Okay, hurry up, Dan. You're missing graduation. Stripes. Oh, that's a good cheese hat right there. That's gonna flip nicely. Bam. You can't see me, but I just dropped the mic. That's perfect. Oh yeah, stay standing. Look at that. That's a crispy cheese hat. They're really good when they're crispy. Now you put a little sriracha smiley face on it. You're gonna get to hear the crunch when I bite that cheese hat. I'm telling you, if you've never tried a cheese hat, friggin' awesome. I'm gonna come close so you can hear it. Yeah, look at that. That's a good one. Here we go. Look at that cheese. See that cheese glistening? It's glistening. Oh man. All right, now you get to have a great and wonderful day. These Beyond Burgers really are pretty good. The pickles help and the location makes it awesome.